Hey boys and girls, this is Miss McGowan. I hope everybody had a great Christmas break and that you are all ready to get back to learning. So today in phonics, we are going to continue to talk about consonant blends. And remember, a consonant blend is when you take one consonant and another consonant and you kind of blend them together and they make a quick sound, like a quick chunk. But when you unblend them, when you break them apart, you can hear each individual sound, each sound by itself. So before we got out for Christmas break, we were learning about these two consonant blends. Remember, a blend can come at the beginning of the word, like this word, stop, stop, and you blend this quick together, stop. So it can come at the beginning of a word, but this week, we're going to talk about blends that come at the ends of words, like this word. So ST was at the beginning of that other word, stop, and now it's at the end of this word, okay? So let's read this word, st, must, or if we break it apart, st, must. So a consonant blend can go at the end of the word, or it can go at the beginning, like we just talked about. So I kind of already went over ST. You remember ST says st, st. When you blend them together, it makes one quick sound, st. Let's read, before I go over this word, let's read some words that have st in them. How about, okay, so we did must. I'm going to write that word right there. Must. Okay, I'm going to change the beginning letter to an R. So if this word was must, what would this word be? If you don't know it, that's okay. Let's sound it out. Let's break it apart. Rust. We don't want to say st. We want to say st. Rust. Make that st, that quick sound, rust. Okay, so that's two words, rust. Let's do another word. I'm going to change the short U sound. So I'm going to use another vowel. All right, you see if you can read this word by yourself right here. Read this bottom word. Okay, let's read it together. F, I, s, t. Okay, now I'm going to blend it together fast. F, I, st, fist. You hear that quick ST sound at the end? St, f, I, st, fist. Okay, so ST says st. Now I'm going to erase those, and I'm going to move this over here. Now, we're also talking about this consonant blend. I'm going to just move that out of the way. This consonant blend, MP, M says P says P. Together it says mp, mp. So let's try to read this word. So let's read it together first, okay? B, m, p. Okay? Now let's blend let's blend these consonants together. B, mp, bump, b, mp, bump, bump. Okay? So MP says mp, and that's a little bit harder to hear than ST. So you got to be really careful whenever you're reading your words, okay? So we have bump. I'm going to change this B to a P and leave the rest of the word. So if the first word was bump, what would this second word be if I just changed that first beginning sound? All right, let's read it together. P, m, p. We're going to blend this consonant really quick. This consonant blend together. P, mp, pump, pump, pump. Okay. One more word, and then you guys are going to go make some words by yourself. Let's do Let's do this word. All right, you try to read this bottom word by yourself. Okay, ready? J, m, p, jump. But I don't want to read it like that. I want to blend those two sounds quick together. J, m, p, jump, jump. J, m, p, jump. We can hear each little sound, but when we blend them together, that M and P kind of smushes together. Jump, jump. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go read some words to whoever's doing your schoolwork with you. They're gonna have these consonant blends in them, and then after you've practiced reading them to whoever you're with, you're gonna write them. They're gonna call them out to you, and you're gonna write them for them. Okay? All right, good job.